welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a cartwheel for a beginner. So the first step you need to be able to do, you need to have a nice lunge. That's step one. Step two is you have to kick off that back leg. So just practice going into your lunge and kicking off. Okay? Practice that 5 times with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you don't really go really high like a needle. You don't want to go way up there. It's just going to make you go into a handstand and not a cartwheel when you do your cartwheel. Just a low kick to give you speed to go into it. Okay, so the second step is that you need to be able to put your hands on the ground. So here, hands. So it's 3 steps so far. So lunge, kick, hands. And make sure your hands aren't facing in front of you like this. Make sure they're like that. Because if I did a cartwheel like my hands like that, they can't move. They just go like this. And I go into a handstand and try and move my leg, and it's not good. So, but if my hands are sideways like that, I can easily do my cartwheel. Okay, step 4. You need to go into your lunge, kick, hands, and then kick off your back leg. Like this. Here, here, here. Don't go right over like I did. That was a bad one. Go into your lunge, hands, kick, like that. Let's do 5 of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The third and the 5th step is that you need to be able to go into a handstand with your legs in a split, like here, 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 and then kick, but kick into a handstand, not like this, like that, with your legs like this, okay? Let's do 5 of them together. Do not go over. I keep doing that. I keep doing that. It's very annoying. So just don't do that. Just stay in the handstand. One, 2. Don't do that like that. 3, 4, 5. I keep doing that and it's really annoying. Don't do that. And the sixth step is go over into your cartwheel. So join all of them together. Here, 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 over. Okay? Here, 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 over. If you got your cartwheel, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.